morning, Collie. Well, it's a clear, warmish morning over the northern and northeastern parts of South Africa. Temperatures already around the mid-teens in the Lowveld and upper teens along the east coast, but it's quite cold and wet still around Cape Town. It's mostly cloudy there with some light rain occurring this morning, but high cloud also streaming across the southern parts of South Africa. That will result in a partly cloudy day, but no rain. So we still have morning rain in the forecast for the Cape Metropole and slightly further inland, and there's also a possibility of some light drizzle this morning along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal, but that's going to clear. As I mentioned, temperatures are already quite high in the Lowveld with around 16 degrees in Bombela, Durban and Richards Bay reporting around 18 degrees at the moment, but over the interior it's still cold. Bloemfontein dropped to -2 degrees overnight, Kimberley down to 0, 3 in Uppington at the moment, and Sutherland at around 1. Cape Town with 14 degrees and temperatures also around 13, 14 in PE and East London. This afternoon we're expecting maximums to even reach the 30s and slightly higher in the Limpopo province. The Lowveld will be hot, 32 degrees in Bombela, warm conditions in Gauteng, 26 in Johannesburg. So while it's still cool at the moment, definitely wear layers because it's going to be warm this afternoon. Mild conditions in the Free State and the Northern Cape, 24 in Kimberley and Uppington. Colder though in Sutherland with a high of 17 degrees for Cape Town as well, and then lower 20s along the Eastern Cape coastline, while KZN will be mild. And wind-wise, light winds over the interior, a moderate westerly breeze in Bethlehem, light onshore winds along the KZN coastline, but it will be breezy in Cape Town still with speeds of 30 kilometers per hour. And tomorrow, the next big front arrives. We're expecting wet conditions to set in over the western parts during the morning, but it will be warm with bergwind conditions in the Eastern Cape and KZN. I'll have another weather update shortly.